We are about to enter the new spa area in my old cactus garden. And you can see the hot tub here. It's very nice. And a new sitting area with a fire pit, excuse me. Put. What kind of language is that? Anyway, that's a propane fireplace. And of course, every hot tub must have an outdoor shower. Open the old doors, and as you can see, it's a very simple shower. And it's very nice. And it all works. We have hot water coming from the B&B. It's very nice. And great to keep the footsies from getting too cold. A little towel hanger out of an old lamp stand. And we'll take a peek inside here. I don't know if you can see very much, but it's very nice. Right now it's about 97 degrees. So this thing all opens up. And it's very nice in the evenings with all the lights all lit up in the tree. It's very good. So there you have it, the new spa area.